Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are fit and fine. So dear students, as you all know that we have started the practice of short writing skills and till my last video I have finished advertisement writing. Today in this video we are going to practice notice writing. As notice writing is not any new chapter for you in writing section, already you have gone through it in class 11th. So here in 12th, we will try to get perfection in notice writing, and we won't be making any mistake. As we all know, earlier notice writing was for 4 marks in your board examination, but from last year's CBSE has made some changes, and it is going to be asked in 3 marks. It will be of 3 marks in your board examination, in which 1 mark will be allotted for format 1 mark, content 1 mark, and expression 1 mark. So format includes name of organization issuing the notice, the word notice, date, and signature and designation. Okay. Content, you have to answer 5 W's: what, where, how, when, who can be contacted. And expression, your under expression, grammatical and spellings are checked, grammar and spellings are checked. Okay. So thus your notice is going to be of 3 marks. So first let's discuss the format of writing a notice. You all must be knowing the format. So in short writing skills, as we all know that whether it is advertisement writing, invitation writing, or notice writing, box is mandatory. So don't draw the complete box in the beginning. Draw 3-sided lines first. Then the name of, on the top you have to write the name of the institution issuing the notice. It should be in capital letter. Name of the institution, it should be in capital letters. Okay. Then the word notice also should be written in capital letter. Then on left hand side you will have to write the date, as it is 15 April 2021 today. Okay, then title, heading, what the notice about. You can either write title or heading in capital letter or capitalize the first letter of each word. Next, content, in which you have to answer these 5 W's, and then designate name and designation will be written here, name and designation. Okay, so this way a notice is written. Let me show you. Okay, dear students, so now let me show you some solved sample examples on your screen, and questions for practice will also be given. So first let us go through the important points which we must remember while writing a notice. Then once again format I am going to show you on your screen, then solved examples and questions for practice will be discussed. So let's begin. So as we all know, a notice is a medium to convey a message to masses together. At the same time, it should be simple, precise, clear and comprehensive. So where notices are used, so notices are used in school, organizations, government, boards. Why used? So notices are used to inform people about various events, issue and public instruction. So what is the distribution of marks? We have already discussed. What are the points which we must keep remember while writing a notice? So begin with the name of the issuing authority, institution or organization. It should be on the top of the box as we have just discussed. Then write the word notice in capital letters. The name of the organization should also be written in capital letters. Then date on the left hand side as we have just discussed. Mention purpose of notice and date, time, venue, duration of program, etc. The process and chief guest if any. Other details, relevant instructions. Name and designation of the person issuing the notice. Notice about school activities or events. It should be written in a box and the word limit is 50. Format of the notice we have just discussed. First of all, you should write the name of issuing authority, whether it is school, organization. Then the word notice should be in capital letter. Then date should be written at the left hand side. Then title or heading. Main body of the notice, content in which you need to give the detail about event, date, timings, venue, chief guest, other details and relevant instructions. Let us go through a solved example. You are Rachna, in charge of cultural club of New Public School, Delhi. Draft notice for your school notice board inviting students to participate in the inter-house dance competition which is going to be organized in your school. So here the name of the school has not been written in capital, but I would like to recommend you to write the name of issuing authority in capital letters. But if you are capitalizing the first letter of each word, so that one also correct. That would not be wrong and no marks will be deducted for the same. Then the word notice should be in capital letters. Then while writing the title or heading, you can capitalize the first letter of each word. Date should be written in the format which we have discussed. All the students are hereby informed that an inter-house dance competition is going to be organized in our school on 15th December, whatever the date is, 2019 at 10 a.m. in the school auditorium. So you have given the information, you have given the answer to the question what, when and where. So you have already answered 3 W's. What is going to be organized, when is it going to be organized, and where is it going to be organized. Then the winners will be selected for zonal level. Okay, how it is going to be organized and who can take part. So interested students may give their names to the undersigned for participation latest by you can mention any date according to the date you are writing on. Then name, and you can also put the signature between name and designation, but no marks will be given or deducted for the same. After Rachit Rachna, you can also put your signature and then designation. Let us go through another solved example. Draft a suitable notice for your school notice board informing students about the magic show organized by your school in aid of victims of earthquake in Nepal. You are Prachi Pancham, captain of the school DPS Gurgaon. So in the same way, we are going to write first the name of the school or institution should be written in capital letters in caps lock. DPS Gurgaon, Haryana, it should be in capital letters. But once again, I would like to repeat here, if you are writing the way it has been written, that one also correct, that one not wrong. Then the word notice in capital letters, and then date on left hand side, and then your subject or title of the notice. This is to notify that our school proposed to organize a magic show on any date in the school premises for the aid of earthquake victims in Bihar. In question, I think it is Nepal is given. So you should write according to question. In Nepal at 11 a.m. So you have given information about what and when and where the event is going to be conducted. All the students are requested to contribute wholeheartedly and buy magic show tickets. The cost of the ticket is rupees 100 per person. The collected fund will be sent to the Prime Minister Relief Fund immediately. Tickets are available at the school counter. Donate for the noble cause. For further details, please contact the undersigned. Here, name of undersigned person is not given, so you must mention the name of the head boy or girl, then designation. Okay, let us go through another solved examples. So students, the solved examples which we are discussing here, which are being shown on your screen, so you must note them down in your fair notebook. Okay, each and every example is important, so they must be written down in your fair notebook. Or later the questions which will be given for practice, they must also be practiced in your fair notebook. Okay, so let us go through these solved examples. You are Tushar Tanisha, the school captain of Sarvodaya Kanya Vidyalaya, Delhi. You wish to call a meeting of the Students' Council to discuss the measures to be taken to check the explosion due to crackers in the school premises during Diwali time. Draft notice inventing details in not more than 50 words. So you are Tushar Tanisha, the school captain of Sarvodaya Kanya Vidyalaya, Delhi. You wish to call a meeting of the Students' Council to discuss the measures to be taken to check the explosion due to crackers in the school premises during Diwali. Draft notice inventing details in not more than 50 words. So first of all, you have to write the name of the institution issuing the notice. It should be in capital letters, and then the word notice, then date, then say the heading. So heading you can also write in capital letters or capitalize the first letter of each word. So all the students' council members are directed to attend an emergency meeting to discuss the measures to check bursting of crackers in the school premises during Diwali phase. The details are follows. Date 16, whatever the date it is, according to the day you are writing it. Venue, conference hall, time 9:30 am onwards. Presence is mandatory. For more details, contact the undersigned. So boys will be writing Tushar and girls will be writing Tanisha, school captain. So it's all about notice writing, in which we have discussed the format of writing the notice, important points which we must keep remember, and some solved sample examples. Now write down these questions for practice. First one, you are the editor of your school magazine. Draft a notice for your school notice board inviting articles, poems, jokes, sketches, etc. from the students for your school magazine. Sign as Neha Neeraj SKV Vikaspuri. Second one, the Cultural Club of DAV Public School Noida is organizing a talent hunt evening. Pandit Ravi Shankar, the eminent vocalist, will be the guest of honor. As Mridula, the secretary of the Cultural Club, draft a notice to inform the students and invite their names with details. Draft a notice in not more than 50 words. Next one. As the head girl of Government Girls Senior Secondary School, Dilshad Garden, Delhi, you are organizing a career counseling session for 11th and 12th students of your school. Write a notice giving details of it to be displayed on your school notice board. Next one. Your school RRVP Gandhinagar, Delhi has completed 25 years of meritorious service to the society. As president of the Students' Council of your school, write a notice in not more than 50 words, informing and inviting the name of the students to participate in the Silver Jubilee celebration of the school. You are Ram Radhika. Next one. You are Mrs. R. Ganguly, the senior art and craft teacher of Riverdale High School, Assam. Draft a notice in about 50 words to inform students about an art and craft mela that will be held in the school premises. Mention other necessary details. Next one. You are Rajan Rachna, the secretary of the debating society of your school, RSPV, Rajgarh Colony, Delhi. Write a notice in about 50 words informing students about an inter-school debate. The motion for the debate is co-education does more good than harm. Mention all pertinent details in the following. Next one, the Residents Welfare Association of MAIA Apartments, Delhi is starting yoga and laughter club. The inauguration is on Sunday, September 12, you can write any date of your convenient. Write a notice inviting residents to the inauguration. Also mention the activities that the club will undertake. You are Seema Sumit, secretary of a health club. Draft notice for the members informing them about the change in timings of yoga classes in summer. Also provide other related details in about 50 words. Last one, in order to spread awareness on saving water amongst children of your school, a video will be played in school hall. Draft a notice for all the junior students, 1st to 8th, to see the video. You are the activity in charge of your school. So it's all about today's video, dear students, in which we have discussed format of notice, sample examples, and the questions have been given for practice. All the questions which are being discussed here, you must note them down in your notebook. You may pause the video and write them down, or you may also take the screenshot. So once again, let us go through the format of writing the notice. First, you should write the name of the institution. It should be in capital letters. Then the word notice, and after the word notice, date should be written at the left hand side. Then title or heading, you can capitalize the first letter of title or heading, or you can write the whole title or heading in capital letters. So about 10 questions have been given in homework, have been shown to you on your screen, which you all must mention in your examination question paper. Notice writing and advertisement writings will be of 3 marks, and there will be choice between them. You must practice both in a proper way. In your examination, you should attempt that one which you consider the most easier and in which you are comfortable to write. So be regular in classes too. In the classes also the same things are being discussed. Keep completing your notebook, whatever the discussion is going on. You must note them down in your notebook, and don't make a pile of work and then you will start writing. On the day it has been discussed, on the day it is discussed, you should note it down and complete your fair notebook. So in my next video I'll discuss about public notices which are issued by the authority, sometime governments or any officials, government officials. And already all types of notice you have been taught last year in 11th class. So and one more thing, dear students, whether it is notice writing or advertisement writing, you must not forget to make the box, as the box is mandatory for notice writing as well as for advertisement writings. Okay, So as I keep telling, I keep repeating it, you should not draw the complete box in the beginning of the notice. First you should draw the three-sided lines, and after you have finished your notice, your content of the notice, then you should draw the bottom line and close the box. Okay, so whatever the things are being discussed, you must pay attention to it and do your work sincerely in your notebook. So thank you for watching this video. See you tomorrow with a new topic.